salt one's real cool.
Yeah,
Just
let's
let it dry.
sanitize it.
We get a Avengers Band-Aid.
Oh, Avengers
And look at
Band-Aid.
that.
Oh, look at me now.
That's it. That's great.
Happy Thursday! Today we are going to Mello and Chloe's doctor to have an appointment. We have an appointment for them. So right now it's 10:13 in the morning, but their appointment is 11. So we are on our way to their doctor.
Today, I'm getting shot.
Where are you going, Chloe?
To Sutter.
We're going to your doctor. How about you, Mello?
And I have too. And also, I have so much fun at school.
Yeah, mommy and daddy pick you up, you and Mello up early
Mom,
today.
Hey, Mom.
Mm.
Can I tell you something?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Mom. I didn't even eat snack.
Yeah,
I mean, I didn't even eat yet. I didn't.
it's okay. We're gonna give you some food after your appointment, okay?
Okay. But this time, hurry up because I want to eat. Hurry up. Ah, da, da.
So how you feeling? How is your cough?
I've been coughing in school since I got out.
Yeah. How about you, Chloe?
And also when I cough, my teacher tell me if I have a cough, and I say yes.
And then
And then the teacher didn't call on you guys.
the teacher said she's going to call us.
No. In lunchtime, a teacher said, in lunchtime, then you guys will
So what did you do?
Mommy, no one bothered me. I was mine. And also, it bothered a kid next to me. And also, I can't fight him because he's easily too far away from me. Next
Did you tell the teacher?
I cannot because the teacher was talking to other kids.
So what you should do then if somebody's bothering you?
I had to wait
will show you guys kung saan ko pinanganak si Mello. Kung saang hospital. Dito ko po siya pinanganak sa Methodist Hospital. Yan, diyan ko siya pinanganak.
Finally!
Yan, yun yung hospital na pinanganakan ko kay Mello. Ages. Yan, yan po yung hospital.
Methodist Children's Hospital.
Yeah, Methodist Children's Hospital. Diyan ko siya pinanganak. That's Mello's hospital. Diyan ko po siya pinanganak. We are here, guys.
Shot? Remember your shot? Yeah. Here's where to go do shot. Yeah. Let's do that. It's so cold.
Yeah, it's almost real cold.
Yeah,
Let
let's
it dry.
sanitize it.
This is unfair.
We get a Avengers Band-Aid.
Oh, Avengers
And look at
Band-Aid.
that.
Oh, look at me now.
That's it.
Oh,
That's did great.
it was really fast.
Thank you.
You feel anything, Mello?
It didn't hurt.
Okay.
Didn't hurt? Chloe, it's your turn. Lay down.
Look at Daddy. Yeah.
Now I can walk.
And you're getting the Avenger Band-Aid too.
Yeah.
Let's see if Chloe will cry.
Okay, just relax. Look at that.
I have a blue shot thing, but
Just hold the little pencil. Sometimes it'll reach for the name.
Are you ready, Chloe? Huh?
Hey, sorry.
Yeah, you get the
Oh, you didn't cry, Chloe? I'm waiting for you to cry. Say thank you.
thank you.
Awesome. Now we're good to go.
All right. We're good. Okay, we can go. Doctor's appointment is done. What do you guys can say about the shot and everything?
I got a shot.
You get a shot?
It hurt.
It hurts? Who cried?
Not me.
How about Mello? Did you cry? No? Alright, thank you guys for watching!
Wait, before you go, when I had my mask on, my eyes were still open and I didn't cry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay guys, sabi pala ng doctor, wala silang bacteria or anything. But kaya sila inuubo and nilagnat and sipon. It's because of allergy, because in Texas has so much allergy things, so they have an allergy. Pero binigyan sila, nag-prescribe ng medication para ipipick up namin mamaya yung medicine nila para makainom sila ng medicine. But anyway, thank you guys for watching our vlog. At kung hindi pa kayo guys nakasubscribe, anong ginagawa nyo? Mag-subscribe na. Let's go! Bye everyone! Bye!